welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to be reviewing the Redmi Note 7 Pro. So this is Xiaomi's latest product that they've launched, which was in February, I think. These are one of Xiaomi's cameras which consists of a 48 megapixel camera. It will help you shoot 4K videos. So yeah, let's just open this up. So yeah, as soon as you open the box, the first thing that you're going to find is the phone's cover. This is a soft case which may not protect your phone. So you guys might have to buy a new cover online because this is not going to protect your phone because of the camera, which I will talk about in some time. So guys, this phone has a 6.3-inch screen. You guys can see that. And if you look at the other side, you can see how glossy that is. So yeah, Redmi offers 3 colors on this phone. You have the Neptune blue, which I've just bought. You have the Nebula red, and you have the space black. Now if you look at this phone, it has a camera. Now the front camera is 13 megapixels. Rear has a dual camera which is 48 megapixels and 5 megapixels, which will allow you to record 4K videos. Now this phone has a full HD plus notch display, and the phone provides 4000 mAh backup, so you can use this for 2 days after charging it once. Now this phone comes with 4GB RAM and 6GB RAM, but I've got the 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM. If you look at the phone closely, you have the power button and the volume buttons on the right side. You have the SIM tray here. One of the most amazing things about this is you get a C-type charger as well as a headphone jack. Most of the phones don't provide that. We will look at the other contents of the box. So you have your adapter. We have the C-type charging So yeah, we have the power adapter and we have a C-type charging cable. So guys, one of the most satisfying things you're going to hear is this. So yeah, let's turn this thing on. Guys, we're finally done with the setup. The setup is almost complete. Now if you guys look at this, the touch is really responsive. If you can see, the touch is really responsive. And one of the main features of this phone is its camera. So I'm going to turn on the camera. So if you guys look at this, you have a lot of modes. You have the photo, you have the 48 megapixel mode. So if you go to the 48 megapixel mode, you get to see the entire clear screen. Now you have all these other options. You have portrait mode, you have night vision, you have panorama, and you have the Pro, which are available in all the other Redmi phones. Now if you guys talk about the price, now the phone with the 4GB RAM costs approximately around 11,500. The 6GB phone costs you approximately around 13,500 to 14,500 depending on the prices on different websites. Now if you guys want to buy these phones, I'll leave the link of these products in the description so you guys can go and check it out. Now just like the other variants, you have the face unlock as well as the fingerprint sensor. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys like my video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next video.